navigating to a specific cell in a worksheet doesn't have to be a long and manual process when you're trying to trace values and formula throughout a worksheet. Oftentimes when I review a worksheet and I see formula in it, I try to get a sense of where the formula is pulling data from, and I'll look into the cell references. In our data set here, cell M2 shows the average selling price of vehicles by a dealership for the month of January 2020. If I click on the cell M2, it shows me that the formula is equal to the average of cells I2 through I74. If I want to navigate down to cell I74, I could go find that cell manually by scrolling through the workbook. But what if the data set was huge? Let's say thousands of rows of data. It would be way more efficient to use the active cell reference function in Excel, which is located in the top left corner beside the formula bar. When I click on the active cell reference function and then change it to say I74 and press enter, it'll take me to that specific cell location within the worksheet. I can then see that this is the last row of the worksheet, and therefore I know that the average selling price calculation is appropriately considering all the values in the data set and is not excluding any at the bottom. So I find that the active cell reference in the top navigation bar is a pretty handy tool. It's often overlooked, but can come in handy when you're trying to jump to different areas of a worksheet. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.